Hello, just wanting to address that if you've been filing your taxes, you may be starting to get things back from Canada Revenue and information that they share with you. And do you know how to read these letters? Not everybody understands if they're leaving money on the table or not. Sometimes they talk in a language that we're just not used to understanding. What are they saying? Do they say I can write off more money? Or what do they mean by these numbers over here? Or what's the non-refundable tax credits? Are you sure that you understand what the government's saying to you? Is it good news? Is it bad news? Is there some news you just don't realize that you're not accessing some money that is actually available to you because you don't understand how to read the language? And especially if you haven't filed your taxes yet because you're not sure where to start, or you're not sure how to write it off as a self-employed person or as a household, as a couple. You're not sure of yourself and you just prefer being in person with someone rather than trying to do it yourself with the software. There may be things you don't understand, or like a very skilled person will go through the software and be able to use it well. But are you sure you're not missing out some stuff? Your totals, what you receive back may be different than what you've calculated. And I just want to encourage you to reach out to us. My husband does taxes. He does file individuals, couples, households, and self-employed people is his specialty over the past 10 years. So if you feel you're not quite sure what your letter is saying and you need an interpretation, if you need to go ahead and file your taxes, he will be an amazing, incredible guide for you, as he loves to make sure people understand what they can do and what they can't do with their situation. And he is very reasonable rates. So just give us a call, 778-877-3416, if you'd like to book a time to get a consultation. He can also be reached by email. It's mrdujardin@gmail.com.